I am Jerel May Quizon Ragmak, and it is my honor to deliver this message on behalf of the graduating class. Today, we celebrate the culmination of our college journey, 4 years of hard work, dedication, and perseverance. Despite facing numerous challenges and silent battles along the way, we have finally emerged victorious. Noting that we started our college journey at the height of the pandemic, we never wavered in our commitment to success. Throughout my academic life, I have been striving for excellence. But because of financial difficulties, my only hope to pursue college was to apply for the City Scholarship Program. Luckily, I was fortunate to be granted the scholarship, and it humbled me greatly. I was honored to begin my college education at FINMA COC, and the scholarship encouraged me to give my best effort and do well in my studies. To be honest, I didn't have high expectations for myself. I knew how difficult it could be to excel in college, more to graduate with Latin honors. I told myself, nga basta lang yun makagraduate ko, okay na kaayo. Walay laude o summa cum laude nga nisulod sa akong huna-huna at that time, kay lagi para nako taas ra kaayo na nga pangandoy. Little did I know that God has greater plans for me than I have for myself. You see, it's funny how we often think that we had our lives all planned out, only to find out that God has greater plans for us. We tend to become discouraged and rebellious when things don't go the way we intended. We even doubt ourselves and our abilities, leading us to compare ourselves to others. Bisag unsaon na kog tuon lisod jud kayo. Bisag unsaon na kog paningkamot, di gyud nako kaya. We all had that moment. But look at us now. Nakaya nimo, nakaya nako, ug nakaya nato. We often forget that when one door closes, another one opens, leading us to something and always greater. Looking back, I may have been an average student, walay clubs or orgs na gipang apilan, but I knew I have lived a college life. My determination, gratitude, and humility allowed me to achieve something I thought was impossible. The dream I dared to manifest when I was younger. You know what? I used to dream of this moment, of what was it feels like to be standing in front, sharing your experiences as a student. I even questioned God as to why He did not let it happen to me way back in high school. But His timing is perfect, and He gave it to me when I least expected. To my mama and papa, naana mo'y anak nga summa cum laude. And I hope I made you proud. And I am sure every parent and guardian present here today is beaming with pride for us, and we recognize your unwavering support and dedication to our success. My fellow graduates, the sacrifices we made, the hardships we endured, and the challenges we faced, all of these were finally worth it. And as we embark on a new journey to the real world, let us embrace change with resiliency and welcome progress. Let us not forget our roots and our values that brought us this far, and always act with kindness and humility wherever life takes us. To my family, friends, and loved ones, thank you for believing in me in times when I didn't or don't believe in myself. This award is for you. To the City Scholarship and HK program, thank you for giving me the opportunity to pursue my studies. To the HTM department, thank you for honing our skills and instilling us knowledge. To FINMA Cagayan de Oro College, continue shaping students into competent, committed, and passionate individuals who can pursue their dreams and have the ability to make their lives better. To the graduates of the batch 2024, congratulations on our success. Cheers to the silent battles we have won. This achievement is a testament of our perseverance and dedication. May we become well-equipped and prepared to face the reality of life. May God bless us all.